Let's continue with our lesson in the introduction to engineering management. The process of management. Management is a process consisting of planning, organizing, directing, or leading, and controlling. Explained in a simple manner, management must seek to find the objectives of the organization, think of ways on how to achieve these objectives, decide on the ways to be adopted and the material resources to be used, determine the human requirements of the total job, assign specific tasks to specific persons, motivate these people, and provide means to make sure that the activities are in the right direction. Requirements for engineer manager's job. Depending on the type of products or services a firm produces, the engineer manager must have the following qualifications. Number one, a bachelor's degree in engineering from a reputable school. In some cases, a master's degree in engineering or business management is required. An engineer manager must have a few years of experience in pure engineering job. So depending on the type of the firm, this experience in pure engineering job will allow the engineer manager to manage the people doing technical work. An engineer manager must have a considerable number of hours of training in supervision, supervising people, supervising tasks, and special training in engineering management. These qualifications will be of great help to the engineer manager in the performance of various management functions. How one may become a successful engineer manager. Successful engineer managers do not happen as a matter of chance, although luck is a contributory factor. It is important for the engineer manager to know the various factors leading to successful management. Robert Kreitner indicates at least three general preconditions for achieving lasting success as a manager. One is ability. Managerial ability refers to the capacity of an engineer manager to achieve organizational objectives effectively and efficiently. So, effectiveness refers to whether objectives are accomplished, and efficiency, as we know, is the relative amount of resources used in obtaining effectiveness. Next is motivation to manage. So many people have desired to work and finish specific tasks assigned by superiors, but not many are motivated to manage other people so that they may contribute to the realization of organization's objectives. This can be exhibited in, say, for example, in a class you were given a task and you were told to group yourselves and assign a leader. Several instances or several occasions, in several occasions, there were times when one was selected to be a leader but declined to lead the group. So, to be a successful engineer manager, you must have the motivation to manage people. And finally, the opportunity. Successful managers become possible only if those having the ability and motivation to manage are given the opportunity. So there are two requirements for successful management. Uh, when it comes to opportunity. One is obtaining a suitable managerial job, and the other one is finding a supportive climate once on the job. That's the end of lesson one. For your task, figure one shows the graph of required management skills and the management level. Your task is to give a specific example, a scenario, if possible, that supports the concept presented in the graph. It says that as the management level goes up, the required management skills goes from specific to general management skills. So you have to give an example, one example, a scenario that supports the concept presented in the graph. Post your answers in e-class forum. Look for weekly task, and then under that there's a week one discussion board. Inside it there's question one. So you post your answers there.